Hey guys, John here. Today we're going to be installing catalytic converter shield covers from Cali raised on both the 5th Gen 4Runner and 3rd Gen Tacoma. So why is this needed? Well, there's scumbags in the world. What these scumbags will do is climb under your lifted Toyota. You made it easy for them. Take their little Sawzall, cut here on your cat, cut back here on the cat, and then what they'll do is they'll take off with your catalytic converter, sell it for like $200-300 or something like that, buy drugs with it, and do it all over again. And then you'll start your vehicle up, it'll sound badass for a second until you realize what the heck happened, and then you're stuck with an insurance claim and also waiting a long time to get an OEM replacement. So let's protect these things. So let's check out what came in this kit. So we have our passenger side, we can see P right there, D, nice Cali raised logo in it, holes for our catalytic converters to breathe, which is pretty nice. Comes with our necessary hardware. Nice QR code right here for installation purposes. We have a nice sticker from them, and also this too that says that these are strong steel, not easy to steal. So they're made out of 12 gauge 304 brushed stainless steel. Nice easy bolt solution, and we also have security bolts, and it comes with a nice security nut right up in the hardware. So the first step, guys, this crossbar right here, there's 2 bolts right here and also 2 bolts back there. They're a 12mm. We're gonna go ahead and take this crossbar off. After this crossbar is off, we're gonna go ahead and take these nuts out right here that hold the whole cross member for our transmission that holds it in. You want to take these out one at a time. So one of them is gonna be a little bit loose because this is still gonna be supporting our transmission. So take this bolt out and we're gonna replace it with the supplied bolt here from Cali Race. So you're gonna take the nice long bolt, put a spacer on one side and also a washer. And then we're gonna go ahead and just send it through. And then a little hack, I had to use my jack right here to push up on this cross member to be able to pull that one out because it was giving me a little bit of an issue. So then again, take the supplied hardware, spacer with a washer, put it on through. Come back to your hardware, take 2 of the gold washers again and 2 lock nuts, and then go ahead and install them right here. With the lock nut and washer installed on the back side, we're gonna take aim of our actual cat right here. Go ahead and make sure that these bolts are pulled pretty far back and that the spacer is against this frame because we're gonna make room to put the cat shield on. Before you install the cat shield, make sure we flip it over, and you're gonna take the rubber grommet right here and you're gonna put the thicker side basically right up here. That way, this doesn't vibrate against the frame of your vehicle. So I went ahead and put the crossbar back on with just 1 bolt right here to hold it into place because once our cat shield is on, this is gonna swing back and put into place right here. So I went ahead and swung that over there with just 1 bolt in it. All right, so we're gonna take our cat shield now. We're gonna make sure that our washer and spacer stay separate. We're gonna angle this first towards our upper control arms so that it sits nice and low, and then we're gonna slide this up just like that, and then that rubber bushing that we did sits right there on the frame. Gonna slide our little crossbar over, and then utilizing the OEM holes with the provided hardware that Cali Rays gave us for this security bolt, we're gonna go ahead, put it through here and into the frame. There we go. Tighten everything up. All right, and there we go. You can see where our little rubber guy went back up over there so it doesn't vibrate against our frame. But now when a piece of low life comes under your vehicle, they're gonna see this and they'll be like, gosh dang it, Cali Rays, why did you cover this catalytic converter? And it's nice and it's really snug on there too. So if they really want to like take out your crap, right? We're secured back here. We're secured over here, and it's nice steel as well. So a lot of these dudes, they just try to get in and get out. If they see something like this, they're gonna be like, gosh dang it, and it may not even be worth their time. So this is definitely cheaper than a deductible would be. I know mine, because mine's like $500. Definitely cheaper than a deductible, that's for sure. So it's the same exact process on the 4Runner on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and do the Tacoma now. So the Tacoma is going to be a lot more simpler. All we have is the cat guards made out of the same stainless steel as the 4Runners, also made in America. And here is our hardware. Not a whole lot. So my Tacoma is going to be maybe a little bit different than yours underneath because I have the full Cali Rays skid plate set. So on my transmission, the transfer case over here. So I don't have the crossbars that go right here. However, I'm still gonna take off the 2 nuts back here, leave the bolts in so it's different than the 4Runner. Use your 14, take the nuts off, slide the cat shield kind of up and over and you'll see that it is gonna set itself back here. And then we'll use the security bolts to put the cat shield into the spot right there. All right, so you can see that the cat shield went up and over. I put the 14mm bolts back in, and then looking at it now here, put the security bolts here. It's resting with the rubber grommet, nice up against the frame, and our cat shield is protecting our cats right there. So again, dude will climb up under here because you can see that truck's pretty high lifted. Super easy, how it would have been just to cut them, especially on this passenger side here. You just cut it right there, cut it up over here, but they can't. My cats can breathe. Perfect. So guys, that's it for the 4Runner and Tacoma together with recording. I don't know, 35, 45 minutes or so, you know, moving the vehicles all around. For the Tacoma, my driver's side was a little bit tough because of the skid plates and stuff. I just had to jack it up a little bit to really maneuver it up in there. But cat shields, they're worth it, honestly. I don't personally live in an area where cat theft is a crime, right? But when we had a 4th gen giveaway vehicle that Yoda Mafia and I did, some dude cut the cats off of that one, right? And it cost us about $1,000 out of our profits of a giveaway vehicle. And that was 2 to 3 years ago before parts started to become really hard to get for these vehicles. So cat shields, they cost way less than your deductible does. And also you don't have to go through that pain and headache of just going through the whole process. So guys, links again down in the description for the 4Runner and for the Tacoma cat shields. And I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.